back here, Basshead garage. Today we are going to be putting on the O2 sensor so we can see exactly how rich toy is running at the moment. The research that I got was basically all I need is the red, the white, and the black for ground. So basically the red is positive, the white is for the lights, and black is ground. So okay guys, as you can see, hopefully I can't really see the aid of the camera, but right there is that, and it's going to go up that way. Anyways, yeah, it's going to go up there somewhat, but yeah, that's the sensor right there. And let's get that in the engine bay. Here's the gauge that I got. AEM Performance Electronics gauges. I took a look at it before the video, and yes, it looks really nice, as you can see. Yes, keeping with the black one. You can, there is also a white with a silver bezel, I think. I'm not too sure about the silver bezel, but I'm pretty sure there's a white inner piece. Basically that's it, and this obviously doesn't come with it, but these do, right here. And these also, and that's it. I'm pretty sure. So it goes to your light, your ground, your light and your ground, power, and this one goes to your ECU, which I don't have, which means I can just block this one off. I just need these three. There's no ECU life. So guys, as you can see, I got no wire there. This is just a very dirty run. Goes all the way down there. But I want to see exactly. Oh god, I want to see where it'd be best fit. But anyways, I was just put on one of those little kind of gauge mounts. Have it right here. Yes, this is where I've been thinking for like a couple months now, where I want to put gauges. Right here. No, I am not going to be drilling in, even though there are, you know, cracks and stuff. I'm going to be putting 3M like I did on this one. It's going to be, you see, here's going to be one, here's going to be one, and here's going to be one. I'll put the ones that I want somewhere like up here-ish. I'll put a line of text of what I want for gauges eventually. Yes, I do need to fix that, by the way. But right here is where I want it, or right here. Right here is not a bad option either, but that's where my other tack was, and I don't like it that much, so I want to have the tack over here, because, you know, a nice line of gauges. Some nice gauges over here, like one here, maybe one here and here. I'm not too sure. I might put 3, I might put 4. But that's what I'm gonna do. I might also be into a column. Ricky and I have been looking for, I think it's a 3 one, like right here, here, and here, I think. Like here, here, and here. Somewhere around that. We are looking for one on, what's the name? I'm not too sure. I'll put the name of it on the screen somewhere, I guess. But Ricky and I were thinking of doing that. Let me know if you guys want me to do a column for the gauges or have it over here. It's one of those two options what I'm thinking of right now. Comment down what you guys think I should do, what looks better. I had toy plugged in for a little bit, so I say we get this gauge hooked up and see if it actually works, and see if it's running red, or see if I blew out the sensor. Okay guys, I just have it going through the window and everything. Yeah guys, as you can see, keys on, works. This is what it says I'm running right now. Okay guys, if this works correctly, I shouldn't need to hook up those two things. Here we go guys.
It's probably warming your hands up too.
When you're in a pinch, you just need a lighter and you're fine.
That's good enough for my standards. I'll get my heat gun. That one kick panel has all the wires we ever need.
Pretty much.
This kick panel over here has the, I wouldn't call it an ECU, but the ECU, it's an engine control module of something. I don't know if it's just like fuse blocks or not, but it has something underneath it that looks like an ECU. But this side over here has all the important wires, like the AFR gauge, which I don't know if you guys have seen yet.
No, that's next. I will unplug that battery.
Go ahead, I already did. We stole the battery out of this to move my truck, which upcoming video, I moved. There's no moving video, but my truck's in a new driveway, so when we finally start working on that, there's a cement driveway with a cement pad. No canopy like this, but stay tuned, because when my truck finally gets going, we're gonna be going good. Fire.
Okay guys, everything connected. I do not recommend doing that right here. All these wires, we're going to be putting a belt connector on this one right here, the blue wire, because we don't need it. And as you can see, everything works now. This does not read.
AFR gauge all wired in finally. Damien is fighting with all the wires. Oh shit. No, I'm joking.
Okay.
Ready? U51 poo, 15. They say you should be around 15 idle, which you're at 16 idle. Well, let's let it heat up first. So you're at 17 now. Let's let it heat up though. So this is no throttle. Let your foot show no throttle. No throttle idle. We're at about 16. That's a little high. You guys can hardly see it on camera because it's glitching out doing the whole weird thing, but this should be right around 14 point, I think it's like 14.5 under part load and around 12 on full dump. So we're gonna go head up to some of the highways around town and see what we can get. Yeah, we're at about 12. So yeah, we're about good on full throttle. It's just the idle that has issues. Yeah, 14, give or take, 13, 14 on part throttle, cruising. So yeah, that's good. And there is more than enough pipe, I don't know if it's just everyone's wondering, there is more than enough pipe on the exhaust as we showed in the last video to make sure that it is properly reading. They recommend 12, I think we have 16 or 18 inches of pipe on it. before it actually hits the exhaust or the OT sensor, so that's good. Yeah, it's reading perfectly fine though. It's like 12.6.
That was mad.
That was 12. That was like 12.2 to 12.6.
That was mad.
That actually runs great. It's actually properly in tune. That's surprising. Probably keeps a little bit of timing in her though, but like that's a tool for another day, right? Yeah, that full mat right there was 12.6 the entire time. You know, idling along 13.5.
That's mad.
Full mat, we go down to 11.6. Let off the throttle, we jump up to 17, but that's normal. We love the throttle because of decel. It gets very fat when you decel, which is fine. Hello. Me likey. I like the half smiley face for us, saying hello. That's actually nice Super Duty. Things lifted. Is that what Little Blue's gonna be like?
Yes.
Bigger?
Roughly that size. Roughly that tall.
That's nice. I like that. That's big. And he has full rock sliders on it. Brakes a little bit squeaky, but that's because they haven't been done. Look at this. Yay, shitty. At least it sounds.
That's
good.
a lot of smoke. That's from me.
Was it?
Pretty sure.
That is from you. Might have just been from the other thing.
Because that was like a lot.
You want to go pull over to like CN Center maybe? We'll take a look.
Was that blue?
I don't know if that was blue or not.
I like blue.
So we're gonna go drive around. We'll keep an eye on it. If anything happens, we'll let you guys know. Wanted that nice hard decel. Yeah, I got down to 11.2 there. Oh, whoa, pull over, pull over. That's oil, pull in, turn it off.
So guys, we're just taking a little drive and we're just here.
You can still see the smoke.
There's lots of smoke, a huge puff of blue smoke.
I don't think that was blue, I think that was white.
That was blue. Like I looked and that was...
Do you still have the things in the cab, the paper towel?
Yeah, I don't think so, no.
We're full on oil.
Yeah, 'cause that was like, soon, like that was like deceleration, right, when that happened?
Yeah, I just put out a front. So we're just gonna move it up out of the way. Start it. Yeah, go. Okay. Yeah. That's a head gasket. That's all oil. That's all, that literally just blew the, that's the motor gone. So that's all oil, it's all blow by. I guarantee if I go touch your exhaust on the inside, it's all oil.
Oil coming out before.
Yes, but you, Damien, that's all oil. It's black on the inside of your pipe. I'm thinking she just gave up the ghost. You want to call black sheep towing, getting towed back home? Or do you just want to try to put it all the way home?
Because right now a head gasket,
That's a full motor
you
build.
could.
We could do it home, but it's going to smoke the whole way. I'd much rather call black sheep just see if you can tow us.
Hey guys, welcome to the bonus clip. You can see I'm doing some diagnostics on toy right here. I don't know if you can see this too well, but it is oily. Like, you can actually see the oil on it. But yeah, that sounds good. This is the second cylinder, by the way, guys. Right here is when I was doing the first cylinder, it was at 160. So either the first cylinder is really good or the rest are bad. Here, as you guys can see, it is 150. Second run. If you guys were wondering, this is the third cylinder. This is what it made on third. I honestly don't know if you guys can see that, but there is quite a bit of oil on cylinder 4. 160. $60 again.